Hello and welcome back to another HTML5 tutorial. My name's Tom from wizardtutorial.com, and today we're going to talk about the HTML5 B tag. The HTML5 B tag was grandfathered in from previous versions of HTML, and what it does is represents bold text in a document. But it's not the preferred use in HTML5. The preferred use, or I should say the preferred element that you use to bold your text, should be the strong tag. So let's take a look at the HTML5 B tag first. And the reason why I'm doing a tutorial on this is because it's still allowed. It's still functioning within HTML and HTML5. So I want to take a look at it, but I prefer you use the strong tag. Now, it said that use the B tag as a last resort. I don't know why you wouldn't use the strong tag, because I don't see a reason why you shouldn't. So, with that being said, we'll still take a look at this HTML5 B tag, and I'll show you there's no difference between the two. Alright, so first look at the syntax of the B tag. Opening caret, B, closing caret. And then we have to close it out, like almost every other element in HTML. Opening caret, backslash B. Alright, so we'll put content in here. And this is going to be bold content, so we'll do HTML5 B tag. Alright, I'm going to save it, refresh my browser, slide it over here, and you can see this text is bold. Now, to show it's actually bold, because it might be hard to see on your screen, let's put a P tag here and say this is a tutorial, and save that. Now I gotta find where I just put my browser. Slide that out of the way there. There we go. And we'll refresh that. And you can see we got normal text here and bold text here. Alright? So that's all there really is to the HTML B tag. But let's take a look at the strong tag next to the B tag and see if there's any difference. Now, there is no difference, except the fact that you have to write a lot more letters to represent the strong tag. So the syntax of the strong tag is caret, opening caret, strong, closing caret. Alright? And we'll do the same thing to close it out. You always got to close it out. Opening caret, backslash, strong, closing caret. Alright? So let's write the same content in there so we can actually see there's no difference. I'm going to save this, go back up to my browser here, and refresh it. As you can see, there is absolutely no difference. Now, we haven't talked about P tags yet, but if you notice, something we can show you here, these are on two separate lines. But in HTML, when HTML reads it, they are not on two separate lines in the document. They're right next to each other. So how could we move that down so we can actually compare them next to each other? Well, we could put P tags, P for paragraph. We haven't talked about those yet. And this will move this content down. Alright? Or we could do a break tag, just like this, and put that there. So let's refresh. And boom, they're right next to each other. Now you see the top one's the B tag, the bottom one's the strong tag. There's no difference. Alright? The only difference is strong tags are preferred in HTML5. B tags are accepted but not preferred. Said to use them at the last resort. So if you have any questions about the HTML5 B tag, please leave a comment on YouTube, well, I can't talk, YouTube, or on our website at wizardtutorial.com, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.